Hey friends, my name is Dion and I am a mosaic artist specialising in African inspired mosaics, and this is the second video to my Windrush project. So I'd love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Sit back and relax and enjoy the commentary as you go along.
Well, it's not late, but it's 6 o'clock now and the light is not very good and I'm gonna have to stop now. But I've noticed, since I've cut this bit, I'm not too sure if this is gonna work, but I've noticed that this lapel here is too short. It needs to come down a bit, because when I look at the original drawing, you can see there that it's overlapping and that is not overlapping. So I need to cut this piece again and make it come lower down so it looks like it's part of this side of the jacket. And I think I'm going to recut this and make it one piece, and this one as well. I think I'm going to recut the two of them, make them one piece again. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow.
As you can see, I made several cuts on the jacket and that lapel doesn't look any different. So here I wanted to show you just how long it takes to cut one piece of glass. I'm just working on the leg alone. Just have a look and see how long it takes me to do this. So I am back and it is day 8. Should have put the actual date that I started, because I haven't been working consecutively each day. Oh, what have I done here? Day 7, day 8, day 7. What's going on here? It's not, oh my days, I can't believe, I must have been so tired. It's day 10, it's not day 7, 8, whatever, it's day 10. Gosh, I must have been so tired. Anyway, day 10, and last night I came back from an event and I just had to finish this this gentleman here. The leg is slightly wrong, this side of it, so I'm going to recut this one. This is the second time that I tried to cut this piece, so I'm going to try again. Oh, actually, now that I've moved it, it's kind of gone into place, so maybe I don't need to cut it. Okay, that might work. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Excuse the mess. It's getting there slowly. So my aim is to finish all of these 3 by the weekend. It is now Friday, and yeah, I want to finish those 3 over the weekend so I can then start the background. But I think I'm on track. Yeah, anyway, let me get on with it. Okay guys, I thought I'd give you a quick update of what I have worked on today. I finished his legs, which were giving me problems. I don't know if you can see there, I have put some cuts in them by his knees. Probably can't see, but it's a bit messy there. Finished sticking down in hand, and the suitcase. This one I've got to put handles on, it's not stuck down. This one's not stuck down, and I put some lines in there because I'm thinking about either cutting these lines here as it was originally in the drawing, or putting little tiny little strips of glass. But yeah, I'm undecided about that, but I thought I would show you. It has been pretty tricky just getting the angles correct, and making sure that it just looks visually correct, if that makes sense. This leg was just really getting on my nerves, but I think I've managed to solve that issue now. But I just wanted to make sure that things weren't looking out of place, like, you know, there was a dodgy hand or I don't know. But anyway, I think it's working okay. So the next bit will be obviously moving on to the lady and her son with the little cap on top there, which is hiding underneath my glass. I can't wait to do this one because she's got a really lovely little puffy skirt down there, a little jacket, little bolero jacket up here, a little handbag, and then the little boy as well. I can do his little bee cap and stuff. So I'm looking forward to doing her. I don't know if she's got a suitcase. She probably has got a suitcase, probably hiding underneath all this rubbish over here. But yeah, I am excited. I'm happy that I'm progressing quite quickly. Now that I think I'm finding my flow now, because it does take me a little while sometimes to get into the flow of my mosaics, but I think I'm finding my flow. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting all of these done, all of these figures done by Sunday evening. That's my target. So yeah, happy bunny.